Hello everybody, I got this house from Mini BarbieLand. I think this is a surprise box there, and so I thought that the house was really neat, and I suppose you get this totally hair Barbie with it, and she's beautiful. So I hope it's the totally hair Barbie, even if it's a surprise box. But so I don't know if you have to assemble it at all. Maybe I think it's like ready. So okay, so let's see about this house. Mini BarbieLand house. I'll get the scissors. Okay, it's said that the backgrounds, like that they break because they are kind of cute, you know. Well, let's try this. Okay. Okay, here's some kind of cute surprise box. I like the aesthetics of the box. It's really cute. Okay, I guess this is like a chair or something, and it's like a bed. Is this the pool maybe, or like the I don't know. Maybe the pool. Okay, so let's see. Okay, the doors open. An elevator, and there you can put the dolls on different platforms. Oh, it's cute. It's cute. And there's the pool, like here, like this. So where did I put the pool? Where's the pool supposed to be? Where's the chair supposed to be? Here. That's the place for the chair. Okay. And the pool is supposed to be what? Where? Here? Here? I don't know. Here? I don't know. Okay. Okay. I suppose you put the pool like this, according to the picture. And okay. I'll do it better later. Okay. Okay, and I'll open this one. It's a really cute box. I would like to keep it for later. And this is a really pretty doll. She's really pretty. It's like the totally hair doll from 1992, I believe. 94? No, it's 92, I guess. So. Okay, I can put the dollhouse like this so it's easy to see. Okay. What's this? It's a little dollhouse, and It's a dog house, I mean. And this is a little, oh, what's the dog called again? It's called, the cat is Blitza and the dog is, oh my god, I don't remember what the dog's name is. In the Life in the Dreamhouse dog. The dog is, oh, I don't remember right now. Oh, sorry. I'll add it later. Dog's name. So, oh, so cute. Golden retriever dog. So pretty. And I also have my other as well. Okay, so I put all my dolls I have, and here's the car. And it's like the, I'm sorry about my background, it's like I have all my stuff in this room. So, and here is like the, it works. The dogs. Oh no, the dogs and the rabbits. Okay. This is the house from the other way, from the other around. Here's the door. This is how it looks like from the other way around. And here's the elevator. What do you do with all the packages? Do you like save them for like mini brand stuff or something? You store miniature Barbies? Or okay, well, I don't really know what to do with this one. I'm sure I will save it for a while and then maybe give it to a relative or something for like a present or something. But it's really good. So thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe for more toy collector content. Bye bye.